Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and today I will be unveiling the project unboxing video of Kohinoor's brand new project that's coming up in Hinjewadi Central, Kohinoor Central located in Hinjewadi, Pune. Today in this video, I will be talking to you about the project overview, the amenities, the location and also the carpet areas, unit plan, master layout, booking process, discounts, schemes, offers and a lot more. Stay tuned with me and let's start with the project overview. Hinjewadi Central, the project is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of 17 acres and will have 12 towers, which will have ground plus 24 floors of premium 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK residences. Now let's come to the location part. The project is located right next to Kohinoor Farmville in Hinjewadi. Dolar Metro Station 200 meters, Infosys Circle 500 meters and Grand High Street Mall at 1.2 kilometers. Now let's talk about the amenities. Of course, the internal amenities like vitrified tiles, anti-skid tiles for the terraces, for the balconies and also overhead water supply tanks, other than the granite fittings for the kitchen and the basic CP sanitary fittings inside the bathrooms, there are going to be a lot of external amenities also like the kids play area, landscape garden, gymnasium, amphitheater, jogging area and a lot more. And now it's time to discuss the main part, and that is the carpet areas. The 2 BHKs would be of 796 to 803 square feet. The 2.5 BHKs would be of 955 square feet and the 3 BHKs would be of 1087 square feet. Now let's do a master plan analysis and also let me tell you about the unit plans. Stay tuned. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of the Kohinoor Hinjewadi Central with 12 towers, out of which currently 2 towers are launching and the rest are for future development. And now let's take a look at the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, that is the 803 square feet apartment. This is the unit plan of the 2.5 BHK, that is the 955 square feet apartment. And this is the unit plan of the 3 BHK, that is the 1087 square feet apartment. Now that you've even seen the master plan analysis and also the unit plan analysis, it's now time to tell you about the booking process. Well, it's very simple. Once you have contacted our team by clicking on the link that's mentioned below, all you need to do is come over here and then our sales representative will show you around the day area, will also show you the complete project 3D model and will explain you the complete booking process. Once you have liked the project, then you can go ahead with the booking. And let me also inform you that not only for the customers in India, we also have the same link for the customers who are NRI. So even the NRI customers can contact us on the same numbers that have been mentioned below. And you can also click on the same link and get in touch with us. Also, do let me know if you like such more videos. Do mention in the comments and do not forget to subscribe to our channel because Housey is India's only online platform which connects you to the developers and it is absolutely brokerage free. This is Housey for you and this was the project unboxing video of Kohinoor Central Hinjewadi. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.